This integrated washer dryer from Hoover is brilliant if you want a quality model with clever, time-saving features. It has an A energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, a medium-sized 8kg drum for washing, and a 5kg drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. The rapid wash programs are fantastic when you want a few items in a hurry. Select the 14-minute program to refresh a small pile of slightly dirty clothes. And when you want to wash that little bit more, simply increase the time to 30 or 44 minutes. So, it's perfect when you want to freshen up an outfit in super speeds. Sensor drying technology gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Simply select the ideal level of dryness, such as the cupboard dry, extra dry, and iron dry settings. And clever sensors inside the drum will then monitor moisture levels and end the cycle once your clothes are dry. This helps to protect fabrics and save energy, so it's kinder to your clothes and your utility bills. If you're looking for an integrated washer dryer with clever time-saving features, this quality model from Hoover is a brilliant choice.